The Edgehill Careers SkillsConnect pathway is now live, and this video will explain what this tool is and how you can use it. SkillsConnect acts as a personal guide to help you discover your strengths and explore career options. It works with you by using AI to identify your technical skills, people skills, interests, and experiences, and then creates a personalised profile. This profile is matched to a unique global database of career paths, including both early career and more experienced roles, allowing you to explore different opportunities and save your favourites. You'll also receive a personalised report that you can share. It highlights your strengths, identifies areas for development, and offers career inspiration, giving you a clearer understanding of your skills and helping you talk about them with confidence. You can get started by heading to the Edgehill Careers portal at careers.edgehill.ac.uk. After you've logged in, navigate to the search drop-down here and select Pathways. Then you can select SkillsConnect from the list of available options. Now just click through the button prompts to access the tool. You can now begin building your unique profile by inputting a career or field you'd be interested in pursuing. Don't worry if you only have a vague idea of what you'd like to do. SkillsConnect will help you hone in on suitable options. The SkillsConnect AI will now ask you a series of questions to establish your relevant skills and experience. You'll also have the opportunity to specify which areas of your chosen field you're most interested in. Once the AI has gathered enough information, it will create your unique profile. You now have the opportunity to manually add any information that you'd like to include. Keep in mind that the more detail you provide, the more accurate your results will be. Now that you've completed your profile, you can view your career matches. These matches are categorised based on how well your skills and experience align with the typical entry requirements for each job. Super matches will likely be the roles most suited to you, but make sure to look through all your matches, as there may be options you've never considered but are well suited to your skill set. You can now go through your matches and either like or reject the roles based on your interest. You'll be able to like up to 6 job matches, which will inform your final report, so make sure to carefully consider the options and select those that most appeal to you. After you've selected your favourite roles, you'll be able to access your final report. This section will give you a detailed breakdown of the skills required for each job role and allows you to identify the areas to focus on in order to become a top candidate. The skills for each role are divided into 3 categories: essential, desirable, and distinctive. Essential skills are typically the base requirements to apply for the role. Desirable skills aren't necessarily essential but will help boost your employability. And distinctive skills are the areas that will help you stand out from the crowd as a top candidate. If you're not happy with your results, or if you'd like to explore matches in a different field, you can restart the process as many times as you'd like. You'll be able to track your overall results by navigating to your profile in the top right. Here you can access your previous reports and see which matches you've selected most frequently over all your past sessions. You've now completed the SkillsConnect pathway and have a number of job matches suited to your unique skill set. Don't forget you can revisit this pathway if you have new skills to add or just want to explore your options in a different field.